1,000-foot wall of black dust swallowed entire towns. Families ran screaming as day turned to complete darkness in seconds. The dust moved at 60 miles per hour, a rolling apocalypse across the Great Plains. People caught outside couldn't breathe. They suffocated standing up. Livestock dropped dead instantly. Cars crashed into each other. Drivers couldn't see their own hands. Children got lost 10 feet from their front doors. This was Black Sunday, April 14th, 1935. Survivors described it as the end of the world. Official reports confirmed the storm buried entire communities under dust drifts. Some towns were never rebuilt.